Good morning class, welcome to St. Peter School. This is your science class, and in previous class we all have started with the chapter number 2, that is incredible animals, and we have covered the two topics, what is habitat and what is adaptation, and also we already discussed about the what are the adaptation is found in forest animal. Today we are going to start with the desert animals. So before starting this, just quick revision. Okay, so there are different types of animals found on this land, and to survive on that particular environment is called adaptation, and different types of animals are acquiring different types of adaptation to survive in the atmosphere. Okay, and on the basis of this, animals living on the land are divided into four parts. First is forest region animals. Second one is desert region animals. Third one is polar region animals, and fourth one is mountain region animals. Also, some animals lives in water, and on the basis of the animals living in water, these are divided into three parts. The animals which is living in marine, like ocean or the seas, and the animals which is living in the fresh water, like river and pond, and the animals which is living in on the both land and the water, that type of animals which can also survive on the land and which can also survive inside the water. And in this we have already covered this topic about the forest region animal. Forest region animal, what is the adaptation found in forest region animal is they have a very good sight. They can see the very, they can see easily if somebody is coming from very far away. By this they can protect themselves from hunters, and also they used to live in they can run faster, and they if they also they live in a forest area, so they can hide easily themselves. Okay, now today we are going to see what are the adaptation found in desert animals. First is deserts have extreme temperature and receive very less rainfall. The days are very hot and the nights are very cold. Only thorny plants grow here, and there is a scarcity of food for animals. So the animals surviving in these extreme conditions have developed a variety of adaptation. The most common animal found in desert is camel. Okay, so first of all, before studying about the camel in desert, in desert region, most not you can say like this, बहुत ही rare animals जो होते हैं वो find होते हैं desert area में, like camels, and there are few examples. There are few more examples you can there are some tortoise. There is a variety of tortoise which is only found in desert area, and there is some variety of snake also which is only found in desert area. So and all the plants which is present in the desert area is always a thorny plant. They don't have much leaf. The trees are not so longer, but the all the plants which is present in the desert area is having thorn, like cactus, very common example. So this type of plants is only found in desert area. Now why it happens? Because जो there is a the plant, they don't have as much leaf, because if those plant will bear more and more leaf, the more and more photosynthesis will occur, and if the more and more photosynthesis will occur, they will require more water also, and even they release more water vapor in the atmosphere also. But we all know that what is the main problem of desert area is two main problem. First is scarcity of water, and second one is very hot and humid climate. So so that if the plant bears lots of leaves, what happens, they will require lots of water. So to avoid this, all the plants found in desert area is having a thorn only. But as we are discussing about the animals, only about the animals in this chapter, so just discuss about the animals. Okay, so camels, what are the adaptation in camels found? Let's see. Camel eat a lot when food is available. They have humps to store the food and water padded feet to move easily in the desert. Okay, we all know. Oh, camel can eat lots of food at a time. But what they do, they don't eat all the foods at a time. What they do, they used to store those food on their back. When you will see the camel very when you will see camel very carefully, you will see that at the back there is a swelling of the muscles on their back. That is not swelling, that is a hump, that is called hump. Hump is used to store water and food in camel used to store water and food in those hump. वो हम्प में उस खाने और पानी को स्टोर करके रखता है. दैट्स वाई बिकॉज इन वेन एवर ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू फाइंड अ वाटर, इफ इज वेन एवर ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू फाइंड अ फूड, दे कैन यूज दोज food and water in a scarcity days. They have thick skin. Okay, they have padded feet to move easily in the desert. We all know that desert don't have soil. They have lots amount of sand on it. So what happened? They have padded feet. So these feet helps them to move easily in the sand also. They have thick skin that prevents water loss through the sweating. Okay, we all know that if somebody sweats, then what happen? Water loss will be occur. But they have a very thick skin, so in such a hot humid climate also they sweat very less. Okay. Sweating. Scorpion, tortoise, hedgehog, hyena, etc. also live in deserts. So these are the few more examples which is found in desert area. So what are the adaptation you found in camel? Three most important adaptation is they have hump on their body to store water and food. They have padded feet to walk in the sand. And third one is they have very thick skin that prevents water loss through the sweating. And these are called the adaptation found in desert animals. Animals that adapt themselves to desert condition are called xerocles. Okay, animals that adapt themselves to desert condition are called xerocles. So what happened, like जो भी animals who try to adapt in a desert animals has been given by a certain name that is called xerocles. Okay. Now turn the page, come on page number 178. Third one is polar region. Now we will discuss about the polar region. What adaptation you find in polar region animals. Polar regions are the areas near the north and the south poles of the earth. The temperature are very low and the winters are very long. Very few plants grow here as the place is always covered with the ice and snow. The animals living here are mostly carnivorous. They have a thick layer of fat under their skin and their bodies are covered with fur. They stay in groups to keep themselves warm. Arctic fox, walrus, seal, penguin, polar bear, etc. live in this region. Okay, so what are the animals which is found in snowy region? Like polar region is mostly that snowy region is known as the polar region, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है. North region that is called polar region. And what are the animals which is found in polar region are Arctic fox, walrus, seal, penguin, polar bear, and very common example penguin is the found in polar region. Now, what are the characteristics which is found in them to survive in a polar region is same as the camel. They have thick skin and they also have a fat deposition layer on their skin. What helps fat deposition? Fat deposition helps to keep their body warm. Also, they have fur on their body to keep their body warm in such a cool temperature. Okay, and they always stay in groups to keep themselves warm. Also, what they do, as we all know that there is a very very cold climate, like fur is not sufficient, thick skin is not sufficient. Then how they survive? What they usually do, they always stay in a group so that they keep warm each other. एक दूसरे को गर्म रख सके, इसलिए वो हमेशा ग्रुप में रहते हैं. Okay, and these all are the main characteristics which helps them to survive in a cooler region, that is called snowy region, or you can say coldest region. Animals living here are mostly carnivorous. Carnivorous is those animals which only eat other animals, that is called carnivorous. So very important guys, all the animals which is found in these areas is mainly a carnivorous. Okay, why these are carnivorous, can you tell me? Okay, this is carnivorous because as you have seen, if you will read this line, that not most of the plants are found in this area, because in this such a cool region, very few plants are able to survive, which has very like different specific characteristics. So very few plants are there. So how they will feed them, all the animals, how they will feed them? If all the animals will be dependent on the plants, will they survive? No, they cannot survive. So to survive, just they all are mostly found, carnivorous animals are mostly found in polar region. So these all are the characteristics. In next class we will discuss about the mountain region animals and what are the animals which is found in water. So till that time, keep revising all the points. Thank you, bye bye, and take care.